Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the vehicle and gathering tools, service manual, sockets, breaker bar, pry bar, and jack stands. Once the axle is supported, you loosen the adjuster nut just enough to relieve tension without removing parts. This prevents sudden bar release. Make sure to use a small lift or pry to move the control arm until the torsion bar unloads. This is critical because it reduces spring force and lets you safely rotate the adjuster. Keep fingers clear and wear eye protection. You now make controlled adjustments. Turn the adjuster bolt in small increments, 1/4 to 1/2 turns, and pause. After 2 or 3 turns, lower the axle slightly to let the vehicle settle and measure ride height against the manual spec. Once you see the correct height, tighten the adjuster nut to the specified torque. This locks the setting and prevents drift. If the bar resists or jumps teeth, stop, back off 1 full turn, re-support the arm, and try again to avoid damage. You finish by lowering the vehicle carefully, then torque the adjuster nut and related suspension bolts to the manufacturer's specs. This secures the setting. Once done, perform a short, cautious test drive to check handling and even stance. If you notice sag, noise, or uneven height, stop and recheck the adjuster teeth, bushing wear, and cross-member alignment. These are common failure points. Troubleshooting tip: if the bar won't hold adjustments, inspect for worn splines or a bent torsion bar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.